welcome to song number 5 of our 15 uke songs challenge. It feels so good to get here. It's like a little baby milestone to be 1/3 of the way in. Let's just get started. Okay, so let's review our chords. We're going to need F. Make sure you're not crunched over your ukulele. Extend yourself. Breathe. Now the middle finger, exactly where it's at, don't turn the ukulele towards you, okay? I would like for you to slide that middle finger. You can look down at your middle finger, not at the fretboard, at the middle finger. Slide it down to where your dot is for the 5th fret. If you don't have a dot there, mark it somehow if you're okay with marking it, but that will be really helpful for you. That's F major 7. Great, and now jump to G minor. Of course, I'm okay with you looking at your fingers, I just don't want this happening. Okay, so be aware of that. Now G minor 7 is our one challenge for the day. So right where you were at G minor, lay that index finger down over 2 strings. Okay, and then lift the ring finger. If it hurts to do this, try the same position on the lower fret. And then just bring your way down. And that should help. Relax the hand. Let's do a C sus4. It's 0, 0, 1, and 3. Such a beautiful chord, right? And then we have C7. If you don't like the sound of the C7s, you can replace them for Cs. That will work too. Our strumming for most of the song is down, down, up, down, up, down for each chord. So let's do the first 3 chords. Here we go. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, you got this. Go. Down, 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 up, down, switch. Down, up, down, switch. Down, down, up, down. Again, 1, 2, 1, 2, breathe. Go. Down, down, up, down, switch. Down, up, down, switch. Okay, go back to F major 7, 5, 5, 0, 0. When you're doing F major 7, I want your brain to be on G minor so that you're quick to jump back there. Look up real quick, look up, look up, look up. So you're here. And your switch is going to be easier because you're leading with that index finger. Let's switch from F major 7 to G minor. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, switch. That's the hardest switch in the whole song, okay? Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, go. So now we have chords that last less time, and that's at G minor 7. So the G minor 7, we're on fret 0, 2, 1, 1. 0, 2, 1, 1. So we're going to do down, down, up, and then I'm going to lift the middle finger and roll the index finger back, down, down, up. And this is just so that I can be stealthy and quick. So that will sound like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Let's do it 3 more times. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, down, up. This time try not to look at your hands. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, one last time. Try to make it beautiful. Breathe. 1, 2, go. I'm going to play that part of the verse. If you'd like to join me, you can. If you just want to listen, that's okay too. We're going to do it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, verse 1, and down, down, up, down, up, down, switch. Down, up, down, up, down, jump. Down, up, down. Short chords. So So here we go. Let's try it again. I'll add a little bit of singing. 1, 2, ready, verse 1. Hold me close and hold me fast. The magic spell you cast. This is love beyond all the love. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see love beyond all the love. Okay, so we have the same thing happen there from G minor to G minor 7 to C7. That happens on both the second and third lines and the last 2 lines. So I just kept going. Let's try it again one more time. You can do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Play with joy. Go. Hold me close and hold me fast. The magic spell you cast. This is love beyond all of love. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see love beyond all of love. If by any chance you're having a hard time with that little baby bar chord, the G minor 7, make sure your thumb is on the back supporting you. If your thumb is up here, I find that bar chords are almost impossible to get clean. But as soon as you move the thumb to the back and drop the wrist, it just cleans everything up. So make sure you have the thumb on the back, thumbs up to the back. Okay, now we're on verse 2. The first 3 chords of verse 2 are the same. So let's go ahead and look at the part where we have a C sus4 and a C7 because that's different. So C sus4 is on fret 0013. Such a cool chord, right? So open sounding. So we have down, down, up. Then we go to C7. Down, down, up. Now if your ear tells you that doesn't sound like, I want it to sound different, then you can go from C sus4 to C. That sounds very resolved. See, you have options here. Play with your options. Okay, so we have that. Let's try that again. C sus4 to C7. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Again. 1, 2, you got this. 1, 2, ready, go. Turned off, so the sound is probably a little different now. Okay, and after that we land on that baby bar chord. So from C7 you're just gonna wiggle over to squeeze 2 chords and then add the middle finger. So that's gonna be a challenging thing in this song. I think you can do it. I think you can do it. Let's do it again. 1, 2, you got this. 1, 2, have fun, go. Actually, let's just do verse 2 and then we'll do that twice just to run through it. Here we go. 1. By the way, if you want a full playthrough of this, I'm doing all of that for the patrons. Join us on Patreon. You get a full playthrough of the song, which is an amazing practice tool. All right, commercial over. Verse 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, verse 2. Go. 1, 1, 2, verse 2 for reals. When you press me to your heart and in the world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you sing, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into love songs. Let me run through the ending. Try and play it with me, and we'll review together. Ready, go. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be Let's try that ending again. It's all things you've done already, borrowed from the first verse, so you can do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ending, go. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be lovely, marvelous. If you'd like to add a fancy high F there, the frets are 5, 5, 5, 8. That would be your high F, just to be cheesy and fancy and cute. Okay, just for fun, let's play verse 2 to the end. Breathe, roll the shoulders back, relax, and let's do it. 1, 2, 2, ready, go. When you press me to your heart, and in a world of blood, the world goes as well. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn it to love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be lovely, marvelous. Please continue posting your videos. I love them. Continue joining our Facebook group, Ukelandia. I'm participating there. I think by the time this is uploaded, we will have 5,000 members in the group, which is amazing. By the way, thank you to all my patrons. I had so much fun in today's Zoom lesson doing Stairway to Heaven. I cannot wait for the second part of that we're doing next Tuesday. So yeah, okay, all right. I'm gonna go edit this, post it, and have fun in the comments with you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you for video 6. Sayonara!